Grumpy Monkey, Up All Night by Suzanne Lang, illustrated by Max Lang. Creatively read and adapted by Miss Jill. Early in the evening, just about supper time, Norman heard a whole lot of hooping and hollering next door. What's the ruckus? Norman asked his neighbor, Jim Panzee.
Oh, I'm so excited,
Jim exclaimed.
I'm going to a sleepover at my parents' house. My whole family's going to be there. Mom, Dad, my big sisters, Anne and Nan.
Well, who's that? Asked Norman.
Oh, yeah. That's my little brother, Tim, grumbled Jim. But never mind. It'll still be fun.
Yeah, sleepovers are a good time, Norman agreed. Jim talked about all the great things he would do.
First, we're going to go termite fishing. Oh, it's so much fun. I love it. Next, we'll tell scary stories. Then we'll have a midnight feast and wash it all down with jungle punch.
I wouldn't drink punch too close to bedtime, Norman advised.
Nobody sleeps at a sleepover. We're going to stay up all night.
Sounds fun, said Norman. Mind if I tag along? A little later, they arrived at the tree where Jim's parents lived.
Oh, it's my little grumpy monkey,
Jim's mom cried as she gave him a big hug.
Oh, I'm so happy to see you. Mom,
moaned Jim.
I'm not little, and I'm not a monkey. I'm an ape.
Jim's mom smiled and ruffled his fur. But you sure are grumpy, she said.
No, I'm not,
scowled Jim. I like your mom, said Norman. No fair. You didn't say we could bring a friend, said a voice coming down the path. Who's that? Asked Norman.
Tim!
Exclaimed Jim's family.
Oh, great.
I thought you said he was your little brother, said Norman. Yeah, I had a growth spurt, said Tim.
Well, what should we do first?
Asked Jim's mom. Everyone answered at once.
Let's each other. For mangoes.
Yeah, I know, said Tim. Measure each other to see who's the tallest.
Rude.
Maybe our guest should choose, suggested Jim's dad, turning to Norman. It's a tough decision, said Norman. It all sounds fun.
Oh, don't worry, said Anne. There'll be plenty of time to do everything because we're going to stay up all night. Up all night.
Cheered Jim and his siblings.
I don't know, said Jim's mom. Staying up all night could make for some very grumpy monkeys.
Then the games began.
Termite fishing.
And flea picking. Bobbing for mangoes. And scary stories.
It was a dark and stormy night, said Jim.
Tim trembled.
Oh, honey, your brother's scared, said Jim's mom. Why not tell a happy story instead?
Midnight feast.
Hey, Mom! Have to share that jungle punch.
Yeah, but you didn't share the bananas. And staying up all night. Oh, it's really dark, said Tim, looking around.
Yeah, because it's night,
snapped Jim. Are you grumpy? Asked Tim.
No,
said Jim. Just then, they heard a noise. Whoa! Thunder! Shouted Tim, and his eyes went wide. Oh no! Now it is a dark and stormy night!
Don't worry, said Jim. It's just Norman snoring. He does a lot of funny snores. Sometimes it sounds like and sometimes it sounds like
Tim laughed.
and other times it goes like ha-wee, ha-wee.
Jim and Tim laughed and laughed all night long. As the sun came up, Tim fell asleep.
Yeah, good idea, little brother,
said Jim as he tucked Tim in and lay down. But just as he was about to close his eyes, "Good morning, my monkeys," sang Jim's mom.
Mom,
Shouted Jim.
we're not monkeys. We're apes.
I prefer gorilla, but yeah, ape works, said Norman. "Oh, Jim, I told you staying up all night would make you grumpy," said Jim's mom, ruffling his fur.
I'm not.
"Well, you'll always be my grumpy monkey," whispered Jim's mom. The end. If you want to be notified for when I go ahead and post new videos, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. It's free. Thanks.